Hello and welcome to the Chauvin Arnoux UK channel. I'm David Savery with a quick start video series of the many features of the CA6117 Multifunction Installation Tester to help you get the most out of this capable instrument. I'm going to run through the earth resistance function of the CA6117 in this video, which is performed in conjunction with Chauvin's spike test lead set, whose part code is displayed for you on the screen. For this test to be performed, the installation must be powered down with the earth rod disconnected from the site earthing terminal. The rod is then connected to the green PE terminal of the 6117. The H and S rods are then planted in line with the earth electrode. A spacing of approximately 62% of the distance between the main rod and the H rod determines the placement of the S rod. Wires should be fully unwound and placed as far apart as practicable without any crossovers or loops. Using the first soft key, we can obtain a measurement of RE only, or we can select to display the resistances between all the rods. I'll leave that second option selected for this demonstration. Under the second soft key, we can null the lead connected to the green E terminal by connecting it to the red H terminal and pressing test. Discounting the lead resistance is necessary when obtaining measurements at very low values. The third soft key gives us the ability to set an audible alarm threshold should we want such an indication. One thing to note with the audio feature is that for it to work, the audio must be set as on in the global setup menu, as that overrides the individual test settings. If the global option is set to mute, then the instrument will not make any sound on most tests, although the display will still visually show either a tick or a red bell icon for any result below or above the programmed threshold. When testing in a damp environment, be sure to go into the setup menu and change the contact voltage from the default of 50 volts to 25 volts. Upon running the test, we can see that our earth rod is reporting a resistance of 10.28 ohm, our RS rod is reporting 100 ohm, and our RH rod is at 2.19 kilo ohms. To validate the measurement, the S rod is moved a distance of 10% toward H and 10% back toward the main electrode, with the test repeated. If all three measurements of RE are the same to within a few percent, then the result is valid, otherwise the S rod is being influenced by the main electrode and the process should be restarted with the measurement points moved. It is recommended the measurement is repeated with these stakes placed at different distances and at a rotated angle from the first alignment to check the accuracy of the result. Rods may also be placed in a triangle arrangement with the S rod tested in two positions as shown to validate recorded results. And that's the basics of earth resistance testing on the 6117. But there's a lot more to see, so do check out the other videos in this series to see what more you can do with this equipment.